Thank you, Madam Speaker. I rise today to bring awareness to the issue of motorcycle profiling. This week, I joined Congressman Burgess, my fellow co-chair of the Congressional Motorcycle Caucus, to introduce a resolution that encourages greater collaboration between the motorcycle community and law enforcement officials to prevent instances of profiling. There is no doubt motorcycles represent more than just a mode of transportation to those of us who ride them. They often signify a sense of freedom, identity, and camaraderie. In Michigan, we have thousands of local riders and many more who come from out of state to enjoy our Great Lakes, scenic highways, and the great outdoors. As an avid motorcyclist myself, I've heard from many in the riding community who felt that they had been profiled by law enforcement at least once, oftentimes solely because of their motorcycle-related apparel. While I certainly support actions taken to enforce violations of the law, we should all be concerned about profiling of riders based on their attire and absent any wrongdoing. To be clear, motorcyclists have a deep appreciation for our nation's law enforcement officers. We understand the difficulties they face on a daily basis, and we're not disparaging of that in any way. Our resolution simply seeks to bring increased awareness and encourage a cooperative effort to address an issue that affects many of our constituents in the motorcycle community. By having an open dialogue, I hope we can foster a greater understanding of the issues surrounding motorcycle profiling and ensure our roads and highways are safe for all to enjoy.